Hello everybody, it is 12:19 and 8 seconds on September 19th. This is the drawing for the Daredevil 158 and 168. Over here on the left hand side are the 16 filled spots. Let's put a little space next to Chris's name. We're going to roll 3 dice. Number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 9th roll will win the books. They will ship out tomorrow, September 20th. Good luck, everybody. That's 1. And the computer froze. That's 1. Okay, we have a frozen computer here. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to post this video to show that this is completely frozen, and I'm going to have to redo this.